I am here on Tip Top at Stricker's Grove. Already spinning. The ride hasn't even started yet. I'm gonna be so sick after this. Not looking forward to it. Are we moving yet? I don't think we're even moving. Oh no. Oh, now we're moving. Now things are getting serious. Now we're spinning. Oh my goodness. We're really spinning. Oh my goodness. Barely moving, but we're spinning really fast. Oh my goodness. I'm getting dizzy already. Oh no. This is gonna be bad. Oh, we're spinning. Oh, we're spinning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think that's enough spinning. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just... Oh, off we go again. We're bouncing. We're bouncing and we're spinning. Well, now we're not spinning anymore. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I like this ride. This ride's fun. We're spinning. And we're bouncing. Oh, I like that. This is better than HD. This is better than teacups. I like this. Oh my goodness, you okay? Oh my goodness. I think the ride is coming to a stop. That is TikTok. Here is Stricker's Grove in Ross, Ohio. Wow, that was fun. I like that ride a lot. I am dizzy though. I think I'm good on spinning for today. Good ride.